This is a non-manual continued. Some other non-manual expressions could be head tilts, head nods, and head shakes. These are more facial adverbs. When saying not, you shake your head from side to side, and when asking a yes or no question, you raise your eyebrows. The learning outcome for me personally is that I've learned a lot of new things, not just in doing the research for this project, but as well as while taking this course. For example, one of the things I've learned is that before taking this course, I knew that nodding and shaking of the head was involved not just in general, everyday expressions, but as well as in when it came to signing and the deaf community. I just didn't know exactly when to do it when it came to signing, and as well as I didn't know under which category fell, for example, the non-manual. It also surprised me how, while I was learning and taking this course and taking and doing research for this project, that raising of the eyebrows and the bring your eyebrows down, or making a smile or like a laughing face, those small things, shrugging your shoulders, are more expressions that I knew were expressions before and taking the course or doing research for this project, but I didn't know exactly when it was right to use them when it came to doing signing. So that was one of the many and big things I learned in taking this course and doing research as well for my learning outcome. My thoughts on doing this research and as well as taking this course is that I think that the deaf community puts a lot of effort into their learning sign language and doing that, learning how to communicate not just with their own deaf community, but as well as the hard of hearing community, and especially with the hearing world. I think that it's really unfair that the hearing community doesn't put in as much effort into learning signing for them, because I think that the community puts more effort into it, obviously, and definitely. I think that courses of sign language should be given to young children from a very young age, in order for when they grow up, and in general, just like Spanish or any other language, second language that someone learns, it could help them in future jobs and in general in the world of communicating with people and learning about them, making a new friend. That's why I think that sign language should be available for young children and young adults to learn how to do sign language in order to communicate with the deaf community and non-hearing as well. And this is my works cited page. Thank you for watching and listening to my presentation.